Maintenance-free living in highly sought-after Heritage Isle 55-plus community with so much to do. This meticulously maintained 2-bedroom 2-bath with a flex room is better than new with lots of upgrades. New roof was installed in 2019. Soaring ceilings. Enjoy the bright open floor plan. Freshly painted in neutral colors. New luxury vinyl planking throughout. No carpet. Walk-in shower in master bath. Beautiful truss screen porch. Spotless 2-car garage with a large laundry room. HOA includes all exterior maintenance and insurance. Walking distance to clubhouse and pool. Clubhouse is undergoing total remodel. Resort-style pool and jacuzzi, tennis courts, pickleball, shuffleboard, bocce ball, billiards room, craft room, fitness room, any type of activity you can think of.